Hey everyone, my name is George, and in this video, we're going to dive into ZenBusiness, one of the most popular LLC formation services out there. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur or someone looking for a smooth and affordable way to start a business, ZenBusiness offers a lot of value. I'll be breaking down their pricing, features, benefits, and even a few potential drawbacks. But I'll also explain why those drawbacks might not be as bad as they seem. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether ZenBusiness is the right fit for your business journey. Now, let's get started. What is ZenBusiness? ZenBusiness is an online platform founded in 2017 based in Texas that helps entrepreneurs form and manage their businesses with ease. They're designed to simplify the process of setting up an LLC or other business structure while providing a suite of tools to support ongoing compliance and growth. Over 700,000 businesses have been formed through ZenBusiness, and their glowing customer reviews show that they're a trusted name in the industry. Whether it's filing your LLC, creating a website, or ensuring your business stays compliant with state requirements, ZenBusiness provides solutions that are simple, reliable, and affordable. Pricing and features. ZenBusiness offers 3 main plans, each catering to different levels of business needs. The starter plan is completely free aside from mandatory state filing fees. It covers the basics like LLC formation and includes 1-year worry-free compliance service, which helps keep your business up to date on essential filings and deadlines. After the first year, this service renews at $199 annually. For those who need a bit more, the Pro plan costs $199 per year and includes everything in the starter plan plus expedited filing, which processes your paperwork in just 1 business day, as well as an EIN and an operating agreement template. If you're looking for an even more comprehensive package, the premium plan is $299 per year. It includes everything in the Pro plan, but adds business website creation, domain registration, and a business email address. ZenBusiness also allows you to customize your package with add-ons like registered agent services for $199 per year or business banking tools for just $5 a month. This flexibility makes it easy to tailor the service to exactly what you need without paying for features you don't. Pros of ZenBusiness. One of the biggest advantages of ZenBusiness is its affordability. With a free starter plan and competitive pricing on additional features, it's a fantastic option for entrepreneurs on a budget. The platform is also incredibly simple to use. It guides you step by step through the process, so even if you're forming an LLC for the first time, you'll feel confident every step of the way. Their worry-free compliance service is another standout feature. It helps ensure you meet your state's requirements, avoiding costly penalties or legal issues. Another thing I really appreciate is how customizable the platform is. You can pick and choose the features that matter most to you, whether that's expedited filing, a business website, or help with compliance. Their customer support is another strong point. ZenBusiness offers phone, email, and live chat support, and the team is known for being responsive and helpful. Finally, those who need to get their LLC up and running quickly, ZenBusiness's expedited options can process filings in as little as 1 business day, making it one of the fastest services available. Drawbacks and why they may not be a problem. While ZenBusiness has a lot to offer, there are a few things to consider. The first potential drawback is their annual subscription model. Unlike some services that charge a one-time fee, ZenBusiness requires an ongoing annual plan. However, this can actually be a benefit for many entrepreneurs. The subscription ensures that you receive continuous support, compliance assistance, and timely reminders to avoid missing important deadlines. For busy business owners, this peace of mind can be worth every penny. Another drawback is that the registered agent service costs $199 per year, where some competitors include a free year of the service. Now, that being said, ZenBusiness's registered agent service comes with added benefits like strong privacy protections and reliable communication with state agencies, which can save you from potential headaches. Their pricing is also competitive with industry standards, so you are still getting solid value. Finally, while ZenBusiness includes website creation tools in their premium plan, the customization options aren't as robust as dedicated platforms like Wix or Shopify. However, for beginners or small business owners who just need a quick, no-fuss way to establish an online presence, ZenBusiness's tools are more than sufficient. You can get a professional-looking website without needing advanced design skills or extra software. Why ZenBusiness stands out. What really sets ZenBusiness apart is their commitment to making business formation and management as easy as possible. The platform is beginner-friendly, affordable, and packed with features that help you stay on top of your business's needs long after the initial setup. Their worry-free compliance service is especially valuable for entrepreneurs who want to avoid the stress of managing filings and deadlines on their own. Everything about ZenBusiness is designed to save you time and effort so you can focus on growing your business. Final thoughts. So, if you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use solution for starting your business, ZenBusiness is an excellent choice. They take the hassle out of filing, offer ongoing support, and provide valuable tools to help your business succeed. Whether you're just starting out or scaling an existing business, ZenBusiness has plans and features to fit your needs. So, if you're ready to take the next step, check out the link in the description to learn more and see if ZenBusiness is the right fit for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Till next time.